Quick question, right now when you open Microsoft Word or use Copilot to write something, do you know which particular AI it is using? Most of the people assume it is ChatGPT from OpenAI, the same thing that's been inside Microsoft products for last 2 years. But as of right now in March 2026, that have changed. For some of most important feature in Word, Excel and PowerPoint, Microsoft has quietly switched from ChatGPT to Cloud. That's Anthropic's AI, the ChatGPT's biggest rival. And Microsoft did this not because of something went wrong, but Cloud is simply better at office tasks than ChatGPT. If you know already, you ask ChatGPT to create certain presentation or even a Word or Excel document and ask the same task to Cloud. You will see hands down Cloud is far superior in terms of quality and the kind of result it come up with. There is no match or no comparison. And Microsoft has realized it over the time, and that's why they want one of the best office productivity suites should be paired with some of the best AI. And it's not like that everything is powered by Cloud right now. But for example, if you go and visit office.com and log in, you're gonna see the office agent here. So all these agents are powered by Cloud, where first of all we can sign in, and let me quickly sign in. And now here you can simply ask AI agent to do something. And the good thing about these agents are it will give you result end to end, and it can create a really polished results. So for example here I'm gonna say create presentation on Microsoft Office history since start till today and future plans if publicly available. And now I'm gonna say create slide, and let's click on go. You're gonna see the work of Office agent. The experience is far more better and polished than ever. And meanwhile it is creating the slide, this is also confirmed directly in Microsoft's own official documentation. These AI agents exclusively use Anthropic's AI model. Cloud is not only better in terms of generating PowerPoint presentation, but also exceed in generating complex Excel formulas and financial model. When Microsoft ran their evaluation, Cloud won, so they went with Cloud. While at the same time the business reason is equally interesting, Microsoft relationship with OpenAI has been getting complicated. OpenAI is preparing a major restructuring and potential IPO. As we all know, Microsoft have invested billions of dollars inside ChatGPT. Now let me talk about one more important aspect. What is there for free user? So let me quickly clarify the access situation, because I know this is what everybody want to know. The Cloud-powered Word, Excel and PowerPoint agent inside Copilot chat are now even rolling out for free Copilot users. Free users get access to web-grounded creation, meaning the agent can pull from the internet. Paid Copilot users get access to organizational owned data as well. But I think it is more important for business users. So if you have got any Office 365 subscription, even a basic one, you should able to see the agents started appearing in your Copilot chat. So for you as an Office user, this is genuinely good news. These new agents are far more competent than any Copilot offered before. And we are seeing it right now how this agent is kind of creating this whole presentation with entirely different approach. So let's wait for this whole process to get completed and I will show you the end result. And similarly, you can not only create a PowerPoint presentation, but you can also do this for writing a document and analyzing data as well. And meanwhile this presentation is getting created, let me give this Office agent another topic, and this time I'm gonna use Word document and I'm gonna say explain history and generation of AI. Now you can clearly see the skills are getting loaded, which is the typical style of Cloud. the way it create the output. Now here it is asking certain question like the document purpose, target audience, and then key area that we want to cover. So I'm gonna say AI generation, early AI foundation, and probably I'm gonna select everything. So here content depth also is provided, and then I'm gonna say writing style is professional, and then I'm gonna click on submit. And the good thing here is if you are finding too complicated, you can also rely on Office Agent, which will itself define or decide how we need to proceed. And there you go, we can see this document is completely generated. And let's now open this up. And here you will see one thing for sure, that initially when we used to create the result from AI, it always used to feel that which is very polished and we are seeing end-to-end output, and then there is no such limitation of 1 page or 2 page. And if we walk through this whole document, the way it is crafted looks really nice. And in the end, you're also going to see the references from where the data is being collected. So that's really awesome, guys. So you can see the quality of this document is significantly better than it used to be. I'm just waiting for the PowerPoint to get completed. And there you go. The PowerPoint is also complete. Now let me download this one as well. And one thing by mistake, instead of Microsoft Office, we wrote Microsoft AI. And it really doesn't matter because we just want to see the capability of this new Office agent, which is powered by Cloud. Now let me actually go here in presentation mode, where we can see the quality of the content and even the images that are being added. So it look really very clean and polished. I mean, you may require a very minimal adjustment in this whole presentation. Even the pictures are also very polished and well presented. And you can also see it's not like the AI is using a simple tools, but for example, this requires really a very advanced office skill to build such kind of presentation. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. Do subscribe to Technoholic for more such productivity related topics, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.